If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. Alright, so Bitcoin is trading at 21,738. What is going to happen now, because there is some CPI report coming in and whatnot, so yeah, let's talk about this. Now Bitcoin at the moment is currently trying to do two things, okay? First of all, I do think that we potentially did end up making a bear flag. So this is going to be Bitcoin coming down, and you know you're losing 0.618, which is the golden ratio. So losing golden ratio is not really good, and that could even mean that, you know, if you're not going to come above $22,000, we need to come above 22,000, by the way. So that's really important. Okay, so if you're not coming up above $22,000, then this is a technical target of the bear flag, and it actually points down to 20,162, and I don't think we're going to stop there. We are looking to actually move to 1.618 after that, so that's going to be 18,377. And is it possible? It's actually possible. I don't have any doubts if something like that can happen as well, because the RSI are pointing to an oversold level. So potentially from here, it's you know, the plan is to make Bitcoin be absolutely oversold. So maybe just come to 18,000, and then from here, I don't know, man. I cannot even say from here you're gonna go back up, because that's a very bad negative market structure. Okay, so that's one thing to keep in mind. Because again, talking about the monthly time frame, this is where the problem really is, right? If you're coming down to 18,000 and you stay at $18,000, then your Bitcoin is actually looking for $8,000. Simple. Because look at this, you're doing something like this where you have the flag and you're just coming in for the retest of the flag. You do have this very, very clear flag right there, and all it means is that on the monthly time frame, all you did is just came down like this, made the flag pop out of the flag, coming up for the retest. Boom. That could be the biggest bull trap that can ever really happen. Okay, keep that in mind. I'm warning you, because if you do come down to 18,000, look what you're doing, guys. Look what you're doing. Where does 18,000 even really takes you? Okay, it takes you somewhere near here, and then you go for the 18,000. Then how are you going to actually go up when you do have a pattern that is actually there for you to respect the pattern? Now, I'm not really saying that I can be very sure about this thing, but that, to me personally, I can judge from a distance that it's not good. Of course it won't be good, because it's just the same as coming down here, making this flag right there, and you can see you lost that flag, and then you pumped a little bit and then you lost it, and then you go down, made another flag, come down, went for the retest, and then get rejected here, and then finally drop to a technical target which is pending for a long time, and then maybe started another bull run to the upside. So February again is going to be important, and we do have a lot of days, 14 days more to close February. So how is it going to behave? No one knows. No one knows. Right? So it would be a good thing if you try to, you know, make Bitcoin stop here. And I don't know if this that's this one level. No, there's not a level here. So anyways, again, 22,000, breaking 22,000 is important. Otherwise, this does look to me like a little bit of a formation of a bear flag. So this bear flag can be from there to there, and you can see that we're potentially popping out of the flag. So today's candlestick will also matter a lot. And I don't think Wednesdays and Thursdays are pretty bad. They're not really bad. Wednesdays and Thursdays are normally good. But if it becomes bad, then it's bad. You do have a little bit of a dragonfly doji right there. So if this dragonfly can play out and try to cross it, if you're in a trade, for example, then it would be a good idea to put a stop loss near 21,333, because that is pretty clear that you're going to invalidate this decision dragonfly doji, which is actually bullish candle. And a reversal candle to the upside. So if it's not going to play out and you come down and take out the last part of that candle, then my friend, that's where I think it's pretty much obvious that, you know, 20,000 is coming, and potentially 18,000, between 20 and 18,000 is going to be a price target. So this also, remember, is it's trying to hold the D wave of the bat pattern. I still remember the bat pattern, don't worry. This is where you had your X, the A, B, C, and this is where your D should be actually. And the last chance as well of having the D correction is maybe down to 21,100. So if you're not going to hold these levels at all, then boom, take it out, take everything out. And the best place to really be sure about anything is to really lose 20,404. I think this is the last chance that you have. Anything above here, you still have some opportunities, a little bit of hope, I could say, but coming down 20,404, it's going to make things worse personally, unless I'm not proven wrong. So let's see what happens, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.